Hi, my name is Cheryl McLaughlin with crazycheryl.com and welcome to expertvillage.com. In this recipe, we are using a lot of whole grains. And when you're using whole grains, you need to learn how to store them. I buy my whole grains in 50-pound containers, or 50 pounds at a time, and you have to store them in a certain kind of container or you will end up with boll weevil or other kinds of strange little bugs that will get into them. And I love these tubs. For one thing, they stack, and the best thing about it is the lids screw off. Before, in the old days, when you stored whole grains, you would have to use a crowbar in order to get this lid off, and it was not women friendly unless there was somebody really strong around to be able to help you get that off. But now you can actually take these lids off and get these off. I store everything in them, including sugar, and I have several grains. And I keep my popcorn, and I keep 7-grain rolled mix, and my wheat. And I can put wheat in one of these tubs just like this. It will store 50 pounds of wheat. And 50 pounds of whole wheat, I like the Prairie Gold wheat that I'm going to use in this cookie today. And it only costs less than about $14 or $15 for 50 pounds of wheat, and it'll last a long time.